Dos, second edition, how to play. The rules are the same as Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. After dealing, create 2 discard piles. You may play to either discard pile or both in the same turn. If you play 2 action cards, then both actions apply only to the very next player in turn order. You can combine the numerical values of 2 cards of the same color from your hand together to match the number of the top card in a discard pile and play to that pile. All number 2 cards are called wild dos cards, and they are a 2 in any color you choose. However, they do not allow you to control the color the next card must be unless they are played on top of another wild dos card. The requirement for yelling Uno is removed and replaced with yelling Dos when you have 2 cards in your hand. When you play a Wild Play 2 card, you pick the color that resumes play for that discard pile. Then, the next player must play at least 2 cards on their turn. If they can't, then they play nothing and draw 2 cards, then end their turn. If playing for points, Wild Dos and Wild Play 2 cards are worth 50 points each.